Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. Right now we're going to talk about search strategies presented by Emmanuel. That is me, student at Gulu University. Yeah, our side slide we have the topic for the discussion here so everyone can see. So our next slide going to define about search strategy. So we have the definition. Yeah, we say it's the plan and systematic approach to finding and retrieving information from various sources. Then further explain that it involves identifying your information need, selecting the right search tools and technique, and evaluating the relevance and credibility of the information you find. This we are going to the third slide, which talks about the importance of the search strategy. One, we say a good search strategy helps you to focus your search, avoid relevant results, and lastly, find information need quickly and efficiently. The next slide is talking about the key components of the search strategy. One, we're saying you define your topic. With that means that you clearly define your research question topic to help you focus your research. Secondly, we're saying identify your search tool. Select the right search tools and database to use for your search. Then the next one, which is the third key components of the search strategy. We're saying you develop your search terms. That is by brainstorming a list of relevant keywords and phrases to use in your search. Then lastly, by saying you have to evaluate. Evaluation is a key component of the search strategy. It explains us critically evaluate the relevance and credibility of the information you find. And lastly, I'm going to conclude by saying search strategy is a crucial skill for anyone who needs to find and retrieve information quickly and efficiently. By defining your topic, identify your search tools, and evaluating your results, you can improve your research skills and achieve your information goals. Thank you for watching. Always like the video, comment for information need. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, hit the bar so that you get notified whenever a new video has been loaded. That's by me always. Thank you. Thank you.